Hi guys, welcome to Grand Hyatt Goa. I'm here with Chef Dinesh. Hello Dinesh. So Dinesh is our man, like he makes the most amazing Italian food. So this time when I was coming here, I said that I'm going to learn some nice, quick, healthy dishes from him. Now I'm going to make my favorite soup, which is a broccoli soup. I love broccoli because broccoli is really healthy to eat. And if you can add broccoli in your meal, it's really, really nice. So I love this soup, which is a broccoli and potato soup.
Yes, ma'am.
Very easy to make, very quick dish and very healthy. And absolutely low cal. So we're going to start.
We're going to put some olive oil into it.
We put olive oil. Okay.
Garlic.
Then little garlic.
Little onion.
Burning,
Put,
okay. We're putting potatoes. Should we now give 1 second. Okay. So we have finely chopped leek. And this is a vegetable stock. Now we put a little bit of thyme. So just to make your soup look nice, like it was prepared in a nice fine dining restaurant, you'll have to cook it separately. So we are making potato soup here and we're going to cook broccoli soup in this other pan. Exactly the same way. So we put olive oil. We put olive oil. We put a little bit of garlic. And then we put onions. We put a little bit of leek. We're putting white pepper, some black pepper, and some salt. Some salt. And you can add that according to your taste. Shivi, that's it. So this is garlic and onions, and we put leek. Gonna add some stock. And let it boil for some time. We can just add some white pepper and then some black pepper. I love black pepper and salt. Okay, so once it's boiled, we'll blend it with a blender and make a thin paste. So we're not mixing any butter in it. So if you like, no cream, no butter, it's just a pure, nice, thick soup. Basically, potato have starch, so it becomes really nice and thick, and it gives a nice consistency to the soup. And the green broccoli soup is also nice and thick. So it's a full meal, and it's only 200 calories. It's absolutely low cal, and it's brilliant, and I love it. So our soup is ready. It's so yummy. I love it. It's so divine. If Shivi is eating, this is really yummy. These kids only eat non-veg food. So if he's eating vegetarian, how many calories? There are 200 calories in it. Yummy. You'll have it every day?
Mostly.
Mostly.
9 out of 10.
Wow, thank you, chef. This was amazing. If my son is ready to eat vegetarian food, it has to be really tasty.